Mumesema there will be no more. There will be no more. That is our first resolution. Therefore, hebu sikiza ili Ruto atusikie kimakini kabisa. Having imposed on us the punitive taxation measures contained in the Finance Act 2023, in complete disregard of our views, we declare an end to the bipartisan talks to which we had sent our delegation in the hope that Kenya Kwanza will show interest in resolving the pro-people issues, including the cost of living. It is time for action. Wakati wa kuongea umekwisha. It is time for resolution ya pili. Tuendelee tusiendelee? Number 3, we say we the people will embark on a mass signature collection from the despotic Kenya Kwanza administration, and we will pursue collaboration and joining of forces for the sake of our nation. Ya tano na ya mwisho, we the people condemn Ruto and his regime's lack of respect for the media, lack of regard for the rule of law, constitutional order, and independent opinion. Wenzangu wa wasalimu, tuko na rafiki wa baba